This is classifying and measuring angles of circles using board number 34 and the protractor. For this board, we've zoomed in to show you the clock in the bottom right quadrant of board number 34. This is so that you can get a better visual of what's actually going on and the smaller increments between each angle. You can see that the tick marks are small on this, so we tried to improve your visibility regarding this. First thing we're going to do is we're going to show a right angle. So at 3 o'clock on a clock, the two hands form a right angle. Oftentimes you'll see this noted like this. If you were to see angles, those are called perpendicular angles, where they meet at exactly a right angle. That's probably the most common angle that you'll see using this clock. However, we're going to discuss 4 other types of angles: acute, obtuse, straight, and reflex. So any angle that is less than 90 degrees, that is called an acute angle. Any angle that is more than 90 degrees, measured from the hour hand to the minute hand this way, but still less than a straight angle, is called obtuse. So an obtuse angle measures from greater than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees. And so I will put this here, so we start at 0, and anywhere from 90 to 180, not including those two numbers, is an obtuse angle. When we have straight up and down, that is called a straight angle because it forms a straight line, so this angle here is 180 degrees. And then the last angle, measured from this in a clockwise direction over to this line, or ray actually, is a reflex angle. And reflex angles are greater than 180 but less than 360. So for the first example, what we're going to do is we're going to take a specific time and we'll look at 3:10. This is 3:10, and what we want is for the students to be able to calculate the angle between the two hands. Now this is not going to be exact, but it'll be close. What you do is you take your protractor and you place it on here with the baseline going across the hour hand, and you can get an approximate guess using the protractor, something close to 35 degrees. A little more accurate is to use the actual markings, so we can see this is at 90 degrees, and we can go back and it's approximately 30 to 32 degrees is the measure between those two rays. So basically you'll continue that, taking the two numbers for any angle. For this case it'd be 180 minus 60 would be 120 degrees, and you always measure in a clockwise direction between the two hands. So once we get to straight, that will be 180, and when we go beyond that, it'll be more than 180, but less than 360. So this is how you use board number 34 to calculate and measure angles between two hands of a clock.